Glass painting is a great craft as it enables you to make or decorate all sorts of items. Clocks, light catchers, lanterns, night lights, mobiles, decorations, through to whole doors or windows. Designs can be traditional, modern, or reflect a particular interest you have. Don't worry if you don't feel that you are artistic. To start with, you can use glass painting designs to work with. As you progress, you can make your own designs, either from scratch or basing them on existing work. Most glass painting involves the same techniques. You make an outline, and you fill it with colour. You make an outline, you fill it with colour. You make an outline, you fill it with colour. Most outlining will use liquid outliner, sometimes called Cern Relief or contour paste. There are, however, other ways of doing it, using either peelies for small work or adhesive lead for larger pieces. Similarly, the colour is mostly done with glass paints, but there are times when coloured window film may be more suitable. It's easy to get confused about the types of paints available. Most people will split them into two types, water-based and solvent. It's an obvious distinction to make. For practical purposes, however, I find it better to classify the paints by what they can do and how they are used. This means I split the paints into two types: the thick water-based paints, which are mostly used for pipe and peel work, more on that later, and flowing paints, which come in both water-based and solvent-based formats. In with the flowing paints, I would also add oven-baked paints. With the exception of them being finished in the oven, they are used in the same way as other flowing paints. So, in the next video, we're going to look at basic outlining, which is perhaps the most difficult part of glass painting. The video after that will concentrate on the basics of painting. Then, as the videos progress, we'll introduce more techniques and methods of doing specific work, like the pipe and peel, how to do a window, how to do a door, how to use adhesive lead. I hope you enjoy this short course. Please let us have your feedback. Happy painting!